Ever wonder how your computer juggles so many things online at once? Let's dig in. You're browsing the web, grabbing emails, streaming a show, all at once. How's that even work?
It all starts with a pretty simple idea. Just imagine your computer is a big building. And like any building, it has one public street address. That's its IP address.
Every bit of data you ask for online gets delivered right to that single address.
But wait, how does an email know to go to your email app and not, say, your web browser?
This is the secret sauce. Every single program gets its own unique numbered door.
And in the tech world, we call that special little door a port.
So the IP address finds the building, the port number finds the right apartment inside.
It's a really slick system that makes sure information always ends up in the right place.
And you're actually using these ports all the time without even thinking about it.
So your web browser, it's using one door specifically for getting web pages.
At the same time, your email app uses a totally different door for your messages.
And yeah, that video you're streaming, you guessed it, it's got its very own door too.
Ports basically keep all these digital conversations separate and organized. No chaos.
Okay, so why should you care about these invisible doors? Well, it's actually pretty important.
Knowing about them helps you understand connection problems and, crucially, digital security.
You know that cannot connect error? It might just be a traffic jam at one of these doors.
And here's the big one. An unknown open door can be a serious security risk.
The coolest part? This all works in the background, even if you're not a network guru. Which kind of leaves you with a question. Do you know what doors are open on your device right now?
If you learned something new in this 2 minutes, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next bite.